Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5 controller. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 controller won't connect, you're certainly not alone. This can happen for a number of reasons, often related to battery issues, connection settings, or even internal component failures. Ignoring this problem can lead to frustration and a diminished gaming experience, so it's best to address it sooner rather than later. For this repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement battery if necessary. Begin by ensuring your controller is powered off. Use the plastic prying tool to carefully insert into the seam of the controller, taking care not to damage the casing. Gently pry the controller open, working your way around the edges to release the clips. Once open, locate the battery, which is typically secured with small screws. Remove these screws carefully, ensuring not to strip them. If you notice the battery is swollen or damaged, it will need to be replaced. Disconnect the battery connector gently, and if you're replacing the battery, connect the new one, ensuring the polarity is correct. While doing this, be cautious of the nearby components to avoid any accidental damage. Once the battery is replaced or reconnected, close the controller by aligning the clips and pressing it back together until you hear a click. Be sure to check that the controller powers on and connects properly to your PS5. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from cropping up again, ensure you regularly check for software updates for your PS5 and maintain your controller's battery health. Avoid leaving your controller connected for prolonged periods when not in use, as this can lead to battery issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.